everyone. Today is May 27, 2024. O gahi siya maibot sa ibuhaton. Kani siya kung gamay, dako o pinakadako, small, medium, and large. If it's really hard to pull because it's big, even if it's small or small, medium, large, then what you gonna do is move and shake that, then it will be pulled. O bayan na kadali maibot. Yugon lang siya gamay, then maibot na siya. It's then like this. Ana lang ka-easy mag-ibot kung gahi imo siyang tuyok-tuyokon kay gahi man maibot. It's hard to pull, then gonna move it like that. Shake it. Uyugon ra din madugayan. Naibot na siya. Gamitan ng laing kamo, diba? Move it. And that's it. Ana lang kadali mag-ibot kung gahi siya maibot. Gamay man na siya, small, medium or large, gamay, dako. O pinakadako, ana lang dali mag-ibot. Uyug-uyugon lang siya, no. Maura to. Bye.